Generally, body starts aging at the age of 25 or in late 30s. Hey, hello everyone. This is Sujata Sawan, consulting nutritionist. Today I am going to talk about how to reverse our aging. The reason behind aging is body starts reducing the manufacturing capacity of collagen, which causes to lose skin elasticity. Some of the signs of aging are wrinkles on face, loose skin, graying of hair, black brownish spots on face, legs and arms. This video will be very helpful to all the viewers who are now in their 30s, 40s or 50s. Aging is inevitable, but we can definitely reduce the aging, or we can definitely reduce the signs and symptoms of aging. So which are the things we have to add in our diet to reverse our aging? Number 1, 4 to 6 balls of vegetables and fruits. The vegetables can be leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables or salad vegetables, and fresh fruits we have to include in our diet. As the vegetables and fruits have all vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, it helps to take the good care of our skin. Number 2 is vitamin D. I have already done with the video on vitamin D importance, so you can check out that video. Vitamin D is very important for our joint health, bone health, hair health. Vitamin D is called as sunshine vitamin. You can take 20 minutes of sunlight exposure before 11 am. For vitamin D, you can include milk products like paneer, ghee. Then in non-veg items, you can include eggs, fish, chicken. Specifically, the egg yolk and chicken liver has good amounts of vitamin D in it. So you can add those items in your diet. Mushrooms are the only veg source of vitamin D. And in mushrooms specifically, shiitake mushroom is very good to have for vitamin D. If you have vitamin D deficiency, you can check with your doctor for vitamin D supplementation. Number 3 is omega 3. I have also done with the video on omega 3. You can check that video on my channel. For omega 3, you can add vegetarian sources like walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds in your diet. And in non-veg items, you can add all types of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring. And if it is not possible to you to have fish in your diet, then you can go for fish oil supplements. Even the vegan people can go for flaxseed oil supplement for omega 3. Fourth thing is nuts and seeds. In nuts, almonds and walnuts, and in seeds, pumpkin and sunflower seeds are the sources of good fats, vitamin E and the trace minerals like zinc and selenium, which will definitely support your skin health. Last thing is very important for reversing the aging. It's a dietary protocol change, intermittent fasting. The fasting window of intermittent fasting promotes autophagy. Autophagy is nothing but rejuvenation of new cells in which the old cells die, and in that place the new cells rejuvenate. As we grow in our 30s or 40s, our metabolic rate starts reducing by 10%. So after 30s or after 40s, if you take only 2 meals, that is very good for you from metabolism point of view. And the second benefit is it will definitely support to reverse your aging. I hope you must have liked this video. To get such informational videos on diet and health, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.